Welcome to this session on solving quadratic equations by formula, especially by the Sridharacharya's formula. Now, the first thing you ought to know is what exactly is that formula. So, suppose we have a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now, this is a general equation, a general quadratic equation, and therefore the value of a cannot be 0. That means the coefficient of x square here cannot be 0. And now if this is an equation, the solution to this equation can be given by the formula, and the solution of the equation, the quadratic equation, are also called as the roots of the quadratic equation, which we represent as alpha comma beta. So these are the two real solutions of this equation, and they will be given by the formula minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. So what you should do is you should jot down this formula if you're not aware of it already. इसको लिख लो एक कॉपी में, और आने वाले दो क्वेश्चंस को पहले अपने मन से इस फॉर्मूले से सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करो. ट्राई सॉल्विंग देम ऑन योर ओन before you see my solution. Let us go to the first equation. 3x square minus 17x minus 6 is equal to 0. So here the value of a is 3, the value of b is minus 17, and the value of c is minus 6. So what is our formula? The two roots alpha comma beta can be given by minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. So all you have to do is just substitute, plug in the values, that's all. So minus b is minus of minus 17. Please be very careful about the signs. If you don't get the signs correct, for example here you have minus 17, if you write plus 17 here, you will get everything wrong. So minus of minus 17 plus minus under root of b square, that is minus 17 square, minus 4 times 3 into minus 6, this 4ac, whole of this divided by twice of a, so 2 times 3, which is equal to 17 plus minus. Now 17 square is 289, so 289 minus, and minus of minus becomes plus, so 24 3s are 72, whole of this divided by 6, which means 17 plus minus 289 plus 72, that is 361, and all of this divided by 6, which is 17 plus minus, now square root of 361 is 19, we all know that, divided by 6, and which means the two roots can be found by taking the plus sign once and the minus sign once. So if you do 17 plus 19 by 2, you will get one root, let's call it alpha. So alpha is equal to 18, and the second root you can find by doing 17 minus 19 upon 2, which is nothing but minus 1. So the two roots of the equation are 18 and minus 1. And when you say two roots are 18 and minus 1, you should also know that if a and b are the two roots, then the equation can be written as x minus a into x minus b also, which means in this case you can write it as x minus 18, x minus of minus 1, which gives me x minus 18 into x plus 1. But if you are able to find out the roots of the equation as 18 and minus 1, you have been able to apply the formula correctly. Let us solve the second equation now. So we have a is equal to 4, b is equal to 23, minus 23 in fact, and c is equal to 33. Now how do you solve that equation? Again, alpha comma beta is equal to minus b, so minus of minus 23 plus minus under root of minus 23 whole square minus 4 into a, that is 4, into c, that is 33, and whole of that divided by 2a, that is 2 multiplied by 4. So you have 23 plus minus under root of 23 square, minus 23 square is 529, minus 16 into 33 is 528, divided by 8. So you have the two roots alpha comma beta as 23 plus minus 1 upon 8. So this allows you to calculate the two roots. Alpha is 23 plus 1 upon 8, that is equal to 3, and beta can be taken as 23 minus 1 upon 8, that is 11 by 4. These are your answers. Hope you have understood how to calculate or how to find out the factors or the roots of this particular quadratic equation by using the Sridharacharya's formula. This formula minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a is Sridharacharya's formula. Thank you.